How to make a perfect U-turn during the exercise left someone behind. Hook out, almost miss the street, make sure no one's standing right behind you so you don't sort of mislead them. Now we've got plenty of clearance on the left-hand side without hitting curb, which is most probable cause of people losing a lot of points in this particular exercise. In this instance, I'm going to start to turn a little bit too soon, which is the most common error by people doing their driving assessment. And as a result, I'm going to get too close to the curb on the left, almost touching it. I've just cleared it by literally millimeters. We always open up angle a little bit wider, and then we have a lot of margin for error on the left-hand side prior to re-entering the street that we just came off. In this example, I'm going to start to turn exactly when I need to, so I've got a good angle there, but now I'm going to understeer slightly. Still ending up too close to the curb. Still haven't hit it, which is not a problem. Got out. But again, if you can be more accurate at doing this, you're going to score more points. This is my preferred way to open up angle as I'm starting to turn, almost missing the street, making sure no one's standing right behind me so I don't mislead anyone. And then this time I've got a lot more margin for error. I've left literally more than half a meter from the curb that was on my left-hand side. A lot of times people ask us, what do you do if you hit the curb? Okay, so this time I'm going to start turning slightly later and I'm going to understeer as well. Be very slow, because if you hit the curb gently, it's not a big deal as long as you stop as soon as you hit it. Correct it as soon as possible. Keep an eye on cars coming from behind and from your right hand side, and it shouldn't be a problem. Some assessors wouldn't even mark you if you corrected it as soon as you possibly could without making any delay. If you do get marked for it, it would be a loss of points for your path, which is not a big deal. If you scored a lot of points for your path in the previous sections, it's probably not going to affect the outcome of your driving assessment. Thank you for watching. Practice your U-turns as much as you possibly can so you are more accurate at executing the tasks in the driving assessment. Some call this maneuver a hook turn as well, which is wrong terminology because hook turns are applicable in Melbourne. And if you go to Melbourne, you're probably going to embarrass yourself if you mention this and, refer to it as a hook turn.